The Shuraako team caught up with Mr. Moustapha Osman Guelle, the COO and co-founder of Somaliland Beverage Industries. In 2012, Mr. Geelle and his family built an enormous Coca-Cola bottling factory in Somaliland. The manufacturing plant represents the largest private investment in Somaliland in over 20 years. Mr. Geelle talks about his family's experience building the plant and describes the great potential for business opportunities in Somaliland.
We see Somaliland as having plenty of opportunity, and where there's opportunity, you'll find crazy investors. I think there are only 3 territories in the world where there were not Coke bottlers, Somaliland being one of them. So we were among those returning Somalilanders that saw the opportunity, and we took it. None of us had the experience really of handling such a huge project. Coming from a trading background into this was a totally different ball game, but we made it happen. Thus far, we've invested close to $20 million in infrastructure, equipment. I don't think anyone in Somaliland thought that this would ever see the light of day, just because of the enormity and the complexities really of the availability of skills in Somaliland really didn't exist. So apart from the aggregate, the sand, everything else had to be imported. So we had to bring in expatriates, even at an operator level, to basically train up youngsters in Somaliland that have graduated from the local colleges. We've been in operation now for 10 months, and I'm very, very happy to say that now all our technical operators on the production line are locals. We have on offer here positions as in engineering, finance, marketing, and we'll be very, very, very happy to have Somalilanders or Somalis come back and take up those roles. We see that as our legacy. We see that as a sustainable solution. I think Somaliland is a great place to invest, not just for Somalis, but even non-Somalis. I know Americans are great risk takers, and Somaliland is as good as any, really. It's got untold riches, and yeah, as they say, whoever comes first is likely to make it big in Somaliland.